Welcome everybody, welcome to our culinary journey through Burkina Faso. Now I love to eat as much as anybody I know, and let me tell you, the food of Burkina Faso is something special. It's a beautiful tapestry of flavors. Today, we'll explore the top traditional dishes that showcase the rich flavors of West African cuisine. We're talking about dishes that have been passed down through generations, infused with love and bursting with flavor. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. First up, we have two. It's the heart and soul of a Burkinabe meal, a warm, comforting mound made from millet, sorghum, or corn flour. Smooth and creamy or thick and rustic, the perfect canvas for rich, flavorful sauces. Think back to your grandmother's cooking. That's the feeling two evokes. Simple, wholesome, and delicious. Pair it with a traditional Burkinabe sauce. You're in for a real treat. Two is a symbol of community and togetherness. The heart of the meal, the taste of home. If you're looking for a dish that bursts with flavor, look no further than Riz Gras. This isn't your average rice dish. It's a celebration of West African flavors. Fragrant rice infused with tomatoes, onions, and a medley of spices transports you to Burkina Faso. It's versatile and delicious. Enjoy it as a weeknight meal or for a special occasion. Add vegetables, meats, or fish to create a masterpiece. The key lies in the spices. A symphony of flavors creates the perfect balance. Riz Gras is surprisingly easy to make. With simple ingredients, recreate the magic of Burkina Faso. Gather your loved ones and experience the magic of Riz Gras. Now let's talk about babenda, a dish that's as nutritious as it is delicious. It's a true testament to the resourcefulness of Burkinabe cuisine. At its heart, babenda is a celebration of fermented beans. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fermented beans? But trust me on this one. The fermentation process creates a depth of flavor that's simply incredible. Think earthy, savory, and slightly tangy all at the same time. It's a flavor profile that's both unique and utterly addictive. But babenda is more than just beans. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, with tender vegetables, succulent meat or fish, and a rich, savory sauce that brings it all together. It's the kind of dish that warms you from inside out, nourishing both body and soul. And it's a perfect example of how Burkinabe cuisine transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. So, if you're looking for a dish that's both delicious and good for you, look no further than babenda. It's a true taste of Burkina Faso. Get ready for the taste of the streets, the aroma that fills the air and makes your mouth water. That's Poulet Bicyclette, grilled chicken elevated to an art form. Imagine this: juicy, succulent chicken, marinated to perfection in a symphony of local spices and herbs. The aroma alone is enough to make your taste buds sing. But the real magic happens on the grill. As the chicken sizzles over the open flames, it develops a crispy, smoky char that's simply irresistible. And the best part is, you'll find Poulet Bicyclette everywhere in Burkina Faso, from street food vendors to upscale restaurants. It's a dish that's enjoyed by everyone, a true national treasure. So, next time you're craving that perfect balance of smoky, savory, and spicy, remember Poulet Bicyclette. It's the taste of Burkina Faso, the taste of the streets. Let's talk comfort food, the kind of dish that warms you from the inside out and makes you feel right at home. That's ragout d'igname, a yam stew that's as hearty as it is delicious. Imagine tender, melt-in-your-mouth yams, simmered to perfection in a rich, flavorful sauce. Add to that succulent meat, ripe tomatoes, and a medley of spices, and you have a dish that's simply unforgettable. It's the kind of stew that's perfect for a chilly evening, a taste of home that will transport you straight to Burkina Faso. And the best part is, it's incredibly versatile. You can use your favorite type of meat, add in your favorite vegetables, and adjust the spices to your liking. It's a dish that's as unique as the person making it. So gather your loved ones, put on your apron, and get ready to experience the comforting flavors of ragout d'igname. When it comes to celebrating in Burkina Faso, brochettes are a must-have. These are not your average kebabs. They're bursting with flavor and embody the spirit of good times. Imagine succulent pieces of meat, typically beef or goat, marinated in a blend of aromatic spices that will tantalize your taste buds. The aroma alone is enough to get the party started. Then, they're threaded onto skewers and grilled to perfection over an open flame, creating that irresistible smoky char that we all know and love. But the beauty of brochettes lies in their simplicity. They're easy to make, easy to eat, and always a crowd pleaser. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply enjoying a casual get-together, brochettes are the perfect way to bring people together. So fire up the grill, grab your skewers, and get ready to experience the taste of celebration with brochettes, a true Burkinabe delight. Let me introduce you to a secret, a flavor so unique and powerful it has the power to transform any dish it touches. That, my friends, is the magic of Soumbala. This traditional seasoning made from fermented seeds is the heart and soul of many Burkinabe dishes. It's the ingredient that adds that certain something, that depth of flavor that you just can't quite put your finger on. Imagine a symphony of earthy, nutty, and slightly pungent notes, all coming together to create a flavor profile that's both familiar and exotic. It's the kind of flavor that grows on you with every bite, leaving you craving more. Soumbala is incredibly versatile. You can add it to stews, soups, sauces, marinades, you name it. It's the secret weapon of Burkinabe cuisine, and once you try it, you'll understand why. So, if you're looking to add a touch of Burkina Faso magic to your cooking, seek out Soumbala. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. In Burkina Faso, it's not just about the food, it's about the drinks too. And when it comes to celebrating life's moments, big or small, there's no better companion than Dolo. This traditional beer, brewed from millet or sorghum, is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of community, friendship, and good cheer. It's the drink that brings people together, sparking conversations, laughter, and shared memories. Imagine a slightly sweet, tangy, and refreshing beverage, perfect for quenching your thirst on a hot day or enjoying with friends and family. It's the taste of Burkina Faso, the taste of celebration. And the best part? Dolo is often brewed locally, with each family or community having its own unique recipe and brewing techniques passed down through generations. It's a true taste of tradition. So, next time you're raising a glass, remember Dolo, the drink that embodies the spirit of Burkina Faso. Cheers to good times and great company. Let's delve into a culinary tradition that spans across West Africa, a dish so fundamental it's a way of life. That, my friends, is the power of fufu. Imagine this, a blank canvas of flavor, a dough-like food made from boiled and pounded yams, plantains, or cassava. It's the perfect accompaniment to rich stews and soups, acting as a vehicle to soak up all those delicious flavors. But fufu is more than just a side dish. It's a symbol of cultural heritage, a culinary legacy passed down through generations. The rhythmic pounding of the fufu, often a communal activity, is a testament to the strength and unity of the people. It's a dish that's meant to be eaten with your hands, connecting you to the food, the culture, and the people around you. It's a sensory experience that goes beyond taste, engaging all your senses. So, next time you have the opportunity to try fufu, embrace the experience. Savor the texture, the aroma, the taste, and connect with a culinary tradition that's as old as time. Sometimes the most satisfying dishes are the simplest ones, the ones that remind us that true flavor doesn't require a million ingredients. That's the beauty of benga, a dish that's as humble as it is delicious. Imagine this, a comforting bowl of black-eyed peas and rice, cooked to perfection and seasoned with just the right amount of spices. It's a dish that's both filling and flavorful, a staple in Burkinabe households. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Benga is packed with flavor. The earthiness of the black-eyed peas, the subtle sweetness of the rice, and the warmth of the spices all come together to create a symphony of taste. It's a dish that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a quick weeknight meal or a comforting weekend lunch. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to make, allowing you to enjoy a taste of Burkina Faso anytime you crave it. So, embrace the beauty of simplicity with benga, a dish that reminds us that true flavor lies in the heart of simple ingredients. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through Burkina Faso's culinary delights. We've explored the heart of their cuisine, from the comforting staples to the celebratory dishes, and everything in between. But most importantly, we've experienced the warmth, the generosity, and the love that goes into every Burkinabe meal. It's a cuisine that nourishes the body and soul, bringing people together through the simple act of sharing a meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures from around the world. Until next time, bon appetit!